Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I make an easy chicken torta. So for the seasoning of the chicken, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of seasonal seasoning salt. You could just use plain salt. Smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. By the way, that was 1 teaspoon of paprika. And 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper. You can season your chicken with whatever seasonings you like. That's what I'm using today. Okay, so here I just had 2 chicken breasts that I cut in half, so it's kind of like a cutlet, and I'm going to season on both sides with my rub. And you can season, like I said earlier, with the rub of your choice or seasoning of your choice. Okay, so my pan has been preheating on a medium-high heat, somewhere between medium and medium-high. And I'm going to add some oil and then start cooking my chicken. I'm going to cook the chicken maybe 3 minutes on each side. The cook time will vary depending on the size of chicken you're using or the cut. Okay, so my chicken is done, and here I have it resting. I'm going to cover it with another sheet pan here, and I'm just going to let my chicken rest for at least 10 minutes. I'm going to start working on my refried beans now. Okay, so here I had a pan preheating. I added 2 tablespoons of oil and some charro beans that I had left over. You could also use canned beans or your own homemade beans. These are already seasoned, so I'm really not going to add tons of seasoning to them. But if you're using something like frijoles de olla or just plain pinto beans in a can, season them accordingly and to your preference. Now that my beans are sort of heated through and simmering, I'm going to start mashing them. Okay, so now my beans are done. You can set them to really low or just turn off the heat. They are heated through and mashed, so good to go. Okay, so now I'm going to toast my bread. Here I have my griddle preheating. I'm going to add some butter. And I am using the pan bolillo or the white French bread rolls. These are the ones that typically are used for tortas. So I'm going to toast this just a little bit before making the sandwich. Okay, so now it's time to build the torta. Gonna start with beans. You could actually make your sandwich with whatever you like. If you want mayo on here and you're just not a fan of beans, all right, that works. I'm adding shredded mozzarella cheese. This is fresh mozzarella cheese. Is gonna go my chicken, just like that. Gonna add some tomato. Lettuce right on top. It's going to be a mess, but who cares? It's going to be good. You could also add fresh sliced onion. This is for someone who does not like onion. Fresh onion on this. They just want it this way. Now some fresh avocado. I'm going to go in with some fresh Mexican style table cream, crema. And I'm using some green salsa. You could do homemade salsa. Just like that. Some more beans. And you're gonna top it. And there is your torta. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.